guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to show you a super fast, fun, easy, and cheap way to make a beautiful gift. It's really easy to make one or en masse, so it's perfect for like a gift bag or a goodie bag. You know, if you're like hosting a bridal shower or a baby shower or even just a party or a nice gathering where you want to give your guests just something fun and extra and personal, but don't want to break the bank or particularly spend a lot of time on it. So this is a great craft for that. I will link what you need in the description along with my socials. As always, feel free to hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more, but we'll get right into it. First off, what you're gonna need is a bar of pink soap. I have a Nature Blend pomegranate and rosehip soap, mainly because it smells absolutely amazing. For this, I think pink works better just with what it is. Bonus points if it smells like roses. This smells like rosehip, so I'm gonna call it close enough, and it just smells so yummy. You're also going to need some organza bags. Again, pink is better. The idea of this is that we are making soap rose petals. So if it's pink and it smells like roses, that's exactly what you want. We're gonna put them in these little bags, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. Like I said, it's pretty easy and pretty fast. So step number one, open your soap, which is more of a challenge than I was anticipating. Hold please. There we go. I knew I could do it. What? It's still fully wrapped. I just took off all of that and it's still fully wrapped. How in the world? Wow. Okay, well. There we go. Got it. Oh, that smells so good. You need a cheese grater, not the grating side though. This side right here, that's the thin little slice. That's what you want. I have a plate down here out of frame to catch it, but basically just start grating. If you get like a softer soap, sometimes those work a little bit better. If you get the hard soaps, you can just end up kind of getting shreds and like little tiny ones rather than like full petals. But I'm gonna grate out a couple and not make you watch me do that and show you the results in just a second. Okay, so here we go. We've got a few of our rose petals. You can see they came out just kind of curved naturally and kind of pretty thin. But you can kind of get where I'm going with the whole like pink petal thing. Some of them are quite a bit more delicate. Pull it up without breaking it. Some are like almost translucent. So, I mean, they really do kind of resemble petals. They're really cool. And then some are a little bit, hardier. But they've got that nice curve to them. So I have a small handful here. And the cool thing is like when you put them together, they kind of almost look like a rose. If you try to like really smash them together, they're gonna kind of break. That might be like an interesting thing to try. But you can kind of arrange them in almost like a little rose-esque pattern if you want. Like some of them are curlier, put them in the center, kind of build, can I do this on camera? There we go. Kind of build the rose shape a little bit. Just kind of work with whatever shapes naturally came out. You're not gonna get a perfect rose out of it, but yeah, that piece just broke off. So just kind of get like a nice little curved shape, make it kind of flowery. And then like the little tiny delicate ones can go into the center. The circle one into the very center, and then just kind of curve your other ones around it. Here you go. So you kind of get the look of a little baby rose. So that's the idea. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. It's easy to do it, like I keep bringing it down by my waist because like that's where I can like look and see and hold it, but then it's like, no, hold it up by the camera where you have like no coordination. So I've got my little bag and I'm just honestly going to stick it in. I'm trying to keep the shape a little bit. We'll see if that works. So you can see this wasn't even that many petals. So a bar of soap is going to get you pretty far. Softer soap does work better for this. If you get like the really hard brittle soaps, it's just going to break and kind of, you're going to get a lot of little pieces like this. I mean, I got a fair amount with this bar of soap, but you're going to get even more ones. If you're having just a lot of trouble and can't get it, I would suggest a warm knife. Just get like a non-serrated knife, heat it up in like hot water or something and then dry it, but like while it's hot, it should help cut through the soap if your soap is particularly brittle. So here we go, it's in there. You can see it's kind of like the rose shape, super cute. And you just go, and that's how you finish the wrapping on that one. So isn't that pretty? It's really sweet and delicate. It smells amazing, like I said. And they can just put this in their bathroom. They can use it if they want. They don't even have to use it. It's just like a cute little memento from a party. It's super easy, super fast, super cheap. You can make a lot of them, but yeah, like look, you got a little rose in there, you got little rose petals. I think the pink bag sells it. I'm totally on board with that, but you could use any color. You could use white, you could use purple, green, whatever you've got. But I used pale pink soap, so I used pale pink bag. So yeah, that's basically the craft. Like that's it. You can make dozens of these in an afternoon. You could probably easily get, I mean, depending how big your bags are type thing, a bar of soap could probably get you like 10 bags. I don't see why not, definitely. Especially if you like don't try to over cram it, just like here's so much soap in a bag, you know, just be like cute, delicate little rose petals and a little rose colored bag. Just to leave on the table next to a name tag or as a parting gift to a party. But yeah, so that's my super fast, super easy, super cheap craft. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.